Okay, so again, for this example here, we're doing much the same. We need to make sure it's in factored form. So it's the very first thing I'm going to do is write this into factored form. Okay, what's there? Y equals 2 sine. Okay, going to factor out the pi over 2. There's our theta. Plus, when I factor out the pi, I'm left with no pi in this term. When I factor out the 2, I'm going to end up dividing by half. So I'm going to end up with 3 over 2. Okay, just double checking. If I multiply that in, yeah, I'm going to end up with pi over 3, okay, plus 2. So my period is going to be established from 2 pi divided by pi over 2. So 2 pi divided by pi divided by 2 gives me a period of 4. The pi's cancel out. Okay, this is one of these graphs. When we have a pi in the b value, that coefficient there, we end up getting rid of the pi's on our scaling. Our phase shift goes to the left 2/3. The vertical shift goes up 2, and the amplitude is 2. Okay, so there we go. We've got all the parts that we need for this graph. I've got a phase shift of -2/3 and a period of 4. So I'm just going to make sure that my period and my phase shifts kind of match. So I'm just going to make that -2/3 here. Okay, and it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and that's going to be, what's that going to be? -2 plus, that's going to be 12/3, so positive 10/3. Okay, and that would be my end position here. Okay, I'm going to just sketch in here my middle. Okay, I'm just eyeballing it right now. Okay, so there's my middle. So to write in the actual position of the middle, I'm going to find the middle or the average. So -2 plus 10 divided by 2 is 4/3. Halfway between 4 and 10 is going to be 7/3. Okay, and then halfway between -2 and +4 is going to be -1/3. Oops, there's no pi's in there anymore. Okay, so we got rid of the pi's when we factored that, when we had the pi in a b value. My vertical shift is going to be +2. Okay, so it's going to be +2. I'm going to go up to +4 and down to 0. So there it is. I've framed my graph here. It's a sine graph, so I'm going to start in the middle. Okay, it goes to left to right, and it's going in the right direction up. So I'm going to go up to there, down to the middle, down to the bottom, back to the middle. There are my coordinates. My min and max are going to be, my min is at 7/30. My max is at 1/3 and 4. Okay, there's my max point. Make sure you can locate those exact values of those min and max points. And there it is. I've got the whole graph now done.